Hello students, in our today's class we will derive a surface area of a right circular cylinder and surface area of a cone. So firstly surface area of a right circular cylinder. Students, this is a cylinder whose height is h and radius is r. So to find its curved surface area, this is curved surface area of the cylinder. This area is called curved surface area. So to find curved surface area of cylinder of radius r and height h, if we cut curved surface area, if we cut this curved surface area along BC and open it, then we get a rectangular sheet. Okay, ABCD. This is a rectangular sheet. It means curved surface area of cylinder must be equals to area of this rectangle sheet. And we know that area of rectangle sheet equals to length into breadth. To find curved surface area of cylinder of radius r and height h, if we cut curved surface area along the line segment BC and open it, it will take the shape of rectangle ABCD. So area of curved surface area will be equal to area of rectangular sheet ABCD. So here to find the area of this rectangular sheet, firstly we will find its length and breadth. So length BC equals to h, that is equals to height of cylinder, and breadth equals to length of CD. Breadth equals to length of CD, that is equals to CD equals to circumference of one end of cylinder whose radius is r and circumference of cylinder whose radius is r, that is equals to 2 pi r. So what is the area of this rectangular sheet? BC into CD. BC equals to h and CD equals to 2 pi r. So that is equals to 2 pi r into h. So curved surface area of cylinder equals to area of rectangle ABCD, BC into CD. BC equals to h and CD equals to 2 pi r. So curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Okay students, now we will find area of base of cylinder. Student, we know that base of cylinder is a circle whose radius is r. So to find area of base of cylinder, we will find area of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? That is equals to pi r square. So area of base of a cylinder equals to pi r square. Here, area of base of cylinder. Base of cylinder is a circle whose radius r. So area of base of cylinder equals to pi r square. Now we will find total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area means its curved surface area and its two bases. First base is its bottom and second base is its top. So total surface area of a cylinder equals to curved surface area plus 2 into area of its base equals to curved surface area equals to 2 pi RH and plus 2 area of its base equals to pi r square. Students, here its bottom and top area must be equal because its bottom is also a circle and its top is also a circle. So curved surface area plus 2 into area of its base. Curved surface area equals to 2 pi RH and area of its base equals to pi r square. It multiplied by 2. 2 pi RH, 2 pi r square. When we take 2 pi r common, then we get 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So total surface area of a cylinder equals to 2 pi r h plus r. Now we will do an example on these formulas. A right circular cylinder of height 7 cm and radius of its base is 3 cm. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. Here height is given 7 cm and base is given 3 cm. We have to find its surface area and total surface area. So firstly we have to learn the formula of curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder. So curved surface area of a cylinder equals to 2 pi RH and total surface area of a cylinder equals to 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, so firstly we will find curved surface area, that is equals to 2 pi r h. Here r is given 3 cm and h is given 7 cm and we know that value of pi equals to 22 upon 7. So 2 pi 22 upon 7, r equals to 3 and h equals to 7. So when we solve this, we get our answer 132 centimeter square. Okay, now we will find total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder equals to 2 pi r h plus r. 2 pi equals to 22 upon 7, r equals to 3, h equals to 7 and r equals to 3. Firstly, we will solve this bracket. 2 into 22 into 3, 7 plus 3 equals to 10 upon 7. And when we solve it, we get our answer 188.57 centimeters square. Okay, students. Now, surface area of a cone. What is a cone? Students, you must have seen joker's cape, ice cream cone. These objects look like cone. So, this is a shape of a cone. Here, its radius is r and height is h. And this is slant height of this cone, and that is equals to L. Means L equals to slant height, R equals to radius and H equals to its height. Students, to find curved surface area of a cone and total surface area of a cone, to find curved surface area of a cone and total surface area of a cone, we have to knowledge about its slant height. If it is given in the question what is slant height, then we put that value. And if height and radius is given in the question, then we have to derive or its slant height. So how we will derive its slant height? Students, this is a rectangle, this is a right angle triangle VOA. This is a right angle triangle, and we know what is Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. It means Pythagoras theorem equals to hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse equals to L and perpendicular equals to H and base equals to R. So hypotenuse square plus perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse L, perpendicular H and base equals to R. So L square equals to H square plus R square. When we find the value of L, then we will find its square root. So L equals to square root of H square plus R square. So firstly, in the question, if given that height and radius, firstly we will find its slant height by this formula. Slant height equals to square root of height square plus radius square. Okay, now curved surface area of a cone. Students, this is curved surface area of a cone and it's look like area of sector of a circle. What is area of a sector? The portion of a circular region enclosed by two radius and corresponding arc is called the sector of the circle. This is a sector of the circle, and because this is enclosed by two radii of the circle and its corresponding arc. So curved surface area of cone must be equals to area of sector of a circle. So what is the area of sector of a circle? That is equals to 1 by 2 into L into R. Here R, this is R. So this R must be equals to slant height of cone. So R equals to L. And what is the value of capital L? L is length of arc of a circle. This is L. This is arc of a circle. So this equals to parameter of base of cone. So parameter of base of the cone. What is the base of a cone? Base of a cone is a circle. So parameter of a circle equals to 2 pi r. So L equals to 2 pi r. Students, area of sector of a circle equals to 1 by 2 into L into R. This is given in your 15th chapter. 1 by 2 into L into R. Here R means this, and this is equals to slant height. This is equals to L. And what is L? L equals to length of arc of a circle. This is an arc of a circle, and this is equals to parameter of the base of a cone. And base of cone is a circle, and parameter of a circle equals to 2 pi r. that is equals to circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a circle equals to circumference of a circle, that is equals to 2 pi r. So curved surface area of a cylinder equals to 1 by 2 pi r into L, that is equals to capital N. It is equals to radius of a circle whose area of sector equals to curved surface area. So curved surface area of a cone equals to pi RL. Students, here we took help of area of sector of a circle, that is equals to 1 by 2 into L into R. Here R equals to slant height of cone and L equals to perimeter of the base of cone, that is equals to circumference of a circle, that is equals to 2 pi r. So when we put the value of L equals to 2 pi r and R equals to L, then we get our curved surface area of a cone equals to pi RL. Now total surface area of a cone. Total surface area, this is a cone, and total surface area of cone, it must be equals to curved surface area of a cone and area of its base. So curved surface area of cone equals to pi RL and its base is a circle. So area of this circle equals to pi r square. So pi RL plus pi r square equals to its total surface area. We take pi r common and L plus r. So pi r, L plus r is total surface area of a cone. Now question, the diameter of the base of a cone is 12 meter and its slant height is 10 meter. Find the total surface area of the cone. Here diameter of the base of a cone is given 12 meter and its slant height is 10 meter. We have to find its total surface area. So diameter of the base of a cone equals to 12 centimeter. Firstly, we will find radius of cone. So radius of cone equals to diameter upon 2, that is equals to 6 centimeter. And slant height L is given 10 centimeter. So total surface area of a cone equals to pi r into L plus r. Pi 22 upon 7, r is 6 meter, L equals to 10 meter and r equals to 6 meter. So 22 upon 7 into 6, 10 plus 6 equals to 16. When we solve it, we get our answer 301.71 meter square.